Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you German learners out there. We'll go through each dialogue, break it down, and give you the English translation. Ready? Let's get started. Our first dialogue is the most basic one. Greetings. Guten Tag means good day. It's a formal way to say hello. Wie geht es Ihnen means how are you? Using the formal you, the response mir geht es gut, danke. And Ihnen means I am doing well, thank you. And you, finally, ouch gut, danke means also good, thank you. Super simple, right? Practice this one. It's a classic. Next up, introducing yourself. Freut mich, ouch, here. Hello. Ich heiße Anna means hello. My name is Anna. Wie heißt du? Is the informal way to ask, what's your name? The other person replies, hello Anna, ich bin Thomas. Freut mich, this means hello Anna, I'm Thomas. Nice to meet you. And a simple reply is mich ouch, which means me too. You see, you can already introduce yourself. Okay, let's move on to a very important situation, ordering food. So the waiter asks, Guten Tag. Was mit 10 Acai bestellen, meaning good day. What would you like to order? You, being a smart language learner, reply, Ich hätte gern einen Kaffee and ein Stück Apfelkuchen. But this translates to I would like a coffee and a piece of apple cake. Please, Ich hätte gern is a very polite way to order. The waiter says gern, sonst noch etwas, which means with pleasure, anything else. And you finish with, Nein, danke, das ist alles. Now you won't starve in Germany. Dialogue number 4 is about asking for the price. First, you get the seller's attention with Entschuldigung, was kostet das? This means excuse me, what does this cost? The seller replies, das kostet 10 euro, that costs 10 euros. If you want to buy it, you can say, okay, ich nehme es, which means okay, I'll take it. And they'll say Dankeschön, thank you very much. Easy peasy. Now, let's tackle asking for directions. You're a bit lost in a new city. Entschuldigung, wo ist der Bahnhof? Vielen Dank, wie gern geschehen. You approach someone and say, Entschuldigung, wo ist der Bahnhof? This means excuse me, where is the train station? They might reply with something like, Gehen Acai Gerados an Dandai's White Street links. This translates to go straight ahead and then the second street on the left. You thank them with vielen Dank, which is many thanks. And a common reply is Gern geschehen, meaning you're welcome. Okay, halfway there. Dialogue 6 is about buying a ticket, for example, for a train or a bus. You go to the ticket counter and say, Einmal nach Berlin, which means one ticket to Berlin, please. The clerk will ask, Einfach oder hin an Zurich, one way or round trip. You can answer, Nur einfach, bid for just one way, please. Then the lines tell you the price. Das macht 20 euro. That will be 20 euros. Now you're ready to travel. Let's imagine you're shopping for clothes. Dialogue 7 covers asking for a different size. You find a shirt you like, but it's not your size. You ask the shop assistant, Entschuldigung, haben Acai das auch in Grey Gem? This means excuse me, do you also have this in size M? They might say, ja, einen Moment, higher, bid, yes, one moment. Here you go. You want to try it on, so you ask, "Kan ich das probieren? Can I try this on?" The helpful assistant will point you in the right direction. Ja, die Umkleidekabinen sind da drüben. Yes, the fitting rooms are over there. You call a friend and ask, "Hast du am Samstag Zeit?" Which means, "Do you have time on Saturday?" They reply, "Ja, ich habe Zeit." Warum? Yes, I have time. Why? You suggest an activity. Wollen wir ins Kino gehen? Do we want to go to the cinema? And hopefully they say, "Yeah, good idea." Yes, good idea. Next, a very common scenario. You don't understand something. It's totally okay to say so. If someone speaks too fast, you can politely say, "Können Sie das bitte wiederholen?" This means, "Could you please repeat that?" They might respond, "Natürlich." Ich sage, die Besprechung ist 10 Uhr. You can then confirm you understood. Ah, okay. Danke. Ah, okay. Thanks. I'll say, "Bit, you're welcome." Finally, our 10th dialogue is a simple goodbye. And there you have it. 10 essential German dialogues for your everyday life. I really hope you found this helpful. The key is to practice them out loud. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Rewatch this video, pause, and repeat after me. You'll be surprised how quickly you pick them up. Thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video and want more German lessons, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Let me know in the comments which dialogue you found most useful. Until next time, choose and happy learning!